All right, to COVID now, even as WHO welcomes China's move to share COVID deaths data, the international health body is still pushing for more information. China has not shared COVID data for many weeks now, but on the weekend it shared that almost 60,000 people died in COVID-linked deaths in the last 2 months. WHO has appreciated China's release of detailed information on COVID deaths, but has sought deeper cooperation to find out the origins of the virus. We have Ishika on the phone line with us. Ishika, China has often been accused, in fact, almost always been accused of not sharing COVID data with the world. Now, of course, some sort of data sharing has happened over the weekend and WHO has also welcomed it. But WHO also has questions on the origins of the virus, which China has not been willing to share so far. Some data shared as far as deaths are concerned, which is 60,000 over the last 2 months. However, the origins of the virus still remain mysterious.
Yes, Radhika, as you rightly pointed out, that China has been accused of not sharing information. In fact, it had not been sharing information since the first wave itself. And now, when over the weekend, China in fact, shared the information to the WHO, saying that almost 60,000 people have died due to COVID between December 8 and January 12. Now, this was welcomed by the WHO director. Now, WHO director also, in fact, appreciated the detailed information as well as the Chinese officials, basically the steps that they have been taking to, in fact, prevent this, be it emergency treatment or the critical death. But the WHO has also said that it needs more data, and thus the China government should keep the information open-ended. WHO has said that they require information at the moment as they are analyzing the information, which covers early December 2022 to January 2023, 12 January 2023, and thus they need more data to in fact analyze the COVID situation across the country, because right now we are seeing that how the China has been in the grip of, in fact, major COVID attacks. Many people, 70 to 90% of the population being affected by COVID after the Chinese government had lifted, abruptly lifted up the COVID ban, and that is why we saw so many people getting affected. But even now, what the WHO has also noted is that they are not sharing all the details, and that is why they are in fact saying, WHO is saying that Chinese government should share more information on the origin of this virus so that further steps can be taken.
Ishika. So certainly, a lot more data needs to be shared by China. Over the weekend, they did share as far as the number of deaths are concerned, but origins of virus is something that the WHO wants information on. Thank you, Ishika, for bringing all those details.